So it's a beautiful day outside. What do you say? Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Man Cave in beautiful Wistful Vistas, suburban San Diego, California. So you say you want to go for a ride, and let's just say that on this ride, you're going to be wearing your Alpinestars TechAir 5 jacket. Well, how do you put it on and get it going and do that whole thing? It's a little bit different than what the Dainese safety jacket is. My vest I've worn for about 6 years now, 6 or 7 years now, and that is the Alpinestars is controlled by an app. Let me run you through that program very quickly. So first of all, what we have to do is put on the jacket itself. Here is the jacket itself. And you put it on. Now these jackets, both the safety jacket vest and this one, they've got some heft to them. I forget what the weight is. I'll try and put it down below. One of the things I really like about the Alpinestars configuration is how you zip it up. It's got an awesome little mechanical clutch that you set in like that, and then it just really aligns it for you to put it together and zip it up. So we're zipped up. You'll notice that the LED display ain't doing much right now, so bear with me because I have to look down and look at you and get everything into place here. So I'm going to go over to the Alpinestars app now. Yes, I am. Get that started. TechAir app. And you'll see here, or at least I hope you'll see, that it says connect the system. So I'm going to push the button to connect the system. Now I have the jacket zipped up and connected here. And it's looking. And it comes right up and it tells me system on. So the system is armed as of now. It's armed before I even get on the bike and start it up. But it's armed and ready to go, and it tells me that I can slide down this slider to turn the system on and off, and I can change the configuration to either street or race mode. Well, we're keeping it street mode because that's the way we're going to ride, and it lets me know that it's connected. Now, it'll also take care of other parameters because the system has a built-in GPS and I guess a tracking system anyway. So now we have to put on a jacket that is rated for use with the TechAir 5. Stand by. Let me get the jacket. Here is the jacket. This jacket is a TGP Plus Air. It says it right here if you don't believe me. And anyway, it's designed and configured to work with the TechAir 5, so the TechAir 5 can expand should it go off, which I hope. We're not going to demonstrate that today. No hoping about it. That ain't going to happen. So we put it on. Now I opted for the lighter weight version because I do live in Southern California and we don't have too much in the way of cold weather and rain to ride in. I'm going to zip it up right here. And we can now go ride. What do you think? Yeah. And all I have to do is go back over here to my phone, start it up, and it tells me that the system is on. Very nice. Let's go for that little ride. What do you say? Hey, just catching up with you again with the Alpinestars TechAir 5 safety jacket. Now it's on and it's charged underneath the system. I just rode across the campus here at Blissful Vistas to see how it felt on and under, and it adds some bulk. There's a couple of pounds there, I think more like 5 pounds there, and a little more insulation to your body. So on a warm day, you're going to feel like you're wearing it, but it is a safety device. I highly recommend it, and they're right in the middle of a generational change right now, so I think you can pick up some good bargains that are available either via the Alpinestars store or one of your favorite motorcycle parts, bits, and pieces suppliers. So make sure if you do go the TechAir 5 route that you have a jacket that's certified usable with the TechAir 5 that allows it to expand if the unthinkable should happen. And I think that it will add to your safety. And remember what I always say when you're out here on these beautiful motorcycles, and that is at GAT, all the gear, all the time. Hey, ride safe. Any questions about the TechAir 5, ask them down below. Later.